What is involved in actually closing costs if you're thinking about selling your home? Wanted to share some information with you today. Market has changed, and we are actually looking to give you as much information as we possibly can regarding the real estate market. But if you're thinking about selling your home and you're wondering what fees that you're going to pay, well, the first things that you got to think about if you're going to hire the professional services of a realtor, which is highly recommended, is your commission fees. And of course, these fees are negotiable depending on where you are in the county, state, or the country, wherever you are. It just really is all negotiable, right? And then you've got attorney's fees. Depending on what the attorneys charge, they're going to charge you to do a title search on the property. So the buyer that's buying your home has clear title. You may have transfer and recordation fees from your state and county, which is also going to be added onto your bottom line. We normally like to estimate 2 to 4% of the sales price for closing fees. So depending on where you are in the country, hopefully this is helpful. You've got the you've got the attorney's fees, you've got the title search fees actually, and state and transfer recordation fees from the state and county where you are. Property taxes, depending on whether they're due on the property or not. Condo fees or HOA fees, depending on if you're in an HOA, they will collect those fees depending on when you're closing. So those are things actually that are also prorated depending on when the closing is for the home. So you've got the recording fees, you've got your commission, which is definitely negotiable. Uh, so, title search, yes, title search, and then also surveying the property. Actually, that is paid by the buyer. Depending on where you are. Here, I'm in the state of Maryland, and the buyer pays for the survey. So it may be different where you are, and that's usually a few $100s. But those are fees that you need to look out for, and definitely you want to actually get the advice from a professional realtor to help you so you can get an estimate of closing costs that will be needed for you to pay at closing. So you know what your bottom line is, what your proceeds is, and what you're going to walk away from closing from. Hopefully this helps. Stay safe, be blessed, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.